is another vlog. Today I'm going to my friend's house and it's gonna be fun. So let's start getting ready. So I woke up at 6 something and I was just laying in bed. I edited the video, which is some days in my life. So I finished editing it and now I'm ready to get out of bed and start actually getting ready for my day. These are my pajamas, I just sleep in them. And as I woke up late, I have to do all of this. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to my friend's house right now with my mom. समझी? ये है मेरी दोस्त, my दोस्त. Don't judge my dress. हाँ ठीक है निकल है नहीं मेरे से. Okay, so I just came back home and I loved talking to them. I went to one of my friend's house and then we both went to another of my friend's house and there we were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people and we enjoyed a lot. We talked and it was a fun time, you know, just catching up with your family and friends is always fun and a little stress relieving because you have a lot going on and you just need these kind of times throughout your weeks, days, months, etc. Actually, one of them is having their birthday soon coming up, so yeah. Now I need to do my homework because if I don't do it, then my teacher will kill me. So yeah, we'll do that in a bit, you know. Let me just open my streaks and reply to all the messages that I got throughout the first time in my whole life. I'm gonna cook fried rice. I haven't even cooked plain rice ever. We'll do that today.